Okay, so today we are going to talk about Module 2. So as always, I'm going to start at the landing page. If you're starting in Google Classroom, that's totally fine. So I'm going to click on Module 2. Our overall goal for this module, at the end, you need to be able to discuss 4 environmental issues currently affecting the Earth, and you're going to demonstrate a thorough understanding of how individuals, meaning you, can help solve these large-scale problems. So to boil that down, we're kind of talking about what is affecting the Earth right now and what are things that you can do in your daily life that are going to help these problems. This is going to guide us into our research project in Module 3. So your 2 objectives in this module are using the environmental videos. Students will be able to explain and discuss 4 environmental issues affecting the Earth with 80% accuracy. So you're going to get 6 videos about 6 different topics. You need to be able to discuss 4 of them. So pick your 4 favorite, pick the 4 most interesting, pick the 4 that you remember. It's totally up to you. Then you're going to do 2 readings. So using those 2 readings, you're going to be able to identify and describe 2 individual ways that individual people have affected change and implemented a solution to one of these issues. Okay, so in this module, you have your walkthrough video, which is what you're listening or watching right now. You have the 6 environmental issues, which are in Google. You have a plastics article and a standing up for the Earth article. So this is a embedded document with videos. These are articles you're going to read and then questions you're going to answer. So if we click here, these are your 3 assignments. So your Earth Day internet search, this is the environmental videos, the plastic article, and the standing up for the Earth one. So if we click right here, it's going to take us over to Google Classroom. And you'll see here is your internet worksheet. So all of these little links will link you to the video. So this is the video on the garbage patch, and then you have your deforestation, oil spills, saving the honeybees, and then these last 2 videos, it has a special set of directions because you have to go into BrainPop through McHenry Connects, and then you just search climate change and population growth, okay? And then after you've answered all 6 sets of questions, then you're going to answer the wrap-up questions. So again, this is where I said you pick 4, whichever 4 you remember, you like, you hated the least. Just tell me the environmental issue, so example, oil spills, and then a summary of what that is. We use a lot of oil, it has to get transported across the ocean, accidents happen, oil ends up in ocean. Simple as that, okay? And then pick just one that you think is the most important, and tell me why you think it's the most important. This might be the one you want to choose for your research project. You might want to choose a different one. That's up to you, but at least you'll have the groundwork started here to set you up for success in Module 3. So this is assignment 1 of 3. And then if we go back into Google, so we already talked about the objectives, you're watching the video. We're in a Module 2, silly me. Already talked about the objectives. We already did the walkthrough video. I just showed you the research sheet. So here is the plastic article. So it looks like this. You're going to read this article as it loads. Okay, read this article. There are no questions in this specific document. You are going to have to go back into Google, and then these are the questions you're going to answer. So, and these will come straight from the article, okay, and they go in order. So you're going to use the article to answer these questions. And then if you have extra time and you just want to do something fun, at the bottom here are these links. This is a plastic tracker, so you can type in where you live, or like if you've gone on vacation somewhere and you littered maybe, hopefully you didn't, you can click here and it will give you the path that litter or plastic takes to eventually get to the ocean and the probability of whether or not it reaches an ocean. Super interesting. This link, you can calculate how much plastic you're actually using in a year, and this one is a report card to grade the environmental friendliness of your home. So your third assignment, your third and final assignment for this one is an article called Standing Up for the Earth. So it's an article, this one's actually really interesting. It's a group of young Americans who are suing the US government in order to make them take climate change seriously. So this is the article, okay? And then if you go back into Google, these are the questions, and same thing, these questions are going to go totally in order. The only difference is there is a video, because this is originally a Scholastic article, there is a video embedded in the actual online magazine that is a really great summary of this. So you click this link to access the video, you log in as a student, and then this is the class password. So it'll launch the video, and then you watch it and answer these 2 questions. Once you've finished the plastic assignment, the Standing Up for the Earth assignment, this is where you're going to do the wrap-up questions on both articles. So what 2 solutions individuals have implemented to solve environmental issues affecting the Earth? So something you read about in either article. And then what was the favorite solution you read about? Like, what did you like? Was it the girl who sued the airline? Was it the people who sued the government? Totally up to you. I just want to hear your reasoning behind why you think it's that way. If you have any questions about any of these assignments or what's expected of you in Module 2, as always, shoot me an email. I would be so happy to help you.